Hi, I'm Tim Robinson, the director of SnapHappy TV. I'm usually on the other side of the camera, but today I want to talk to you about microphones. For any photographer or videographer that's serious about taking great video, they also need to consider capturing great audio. To record hostings, presentations, interviews, for me, a wireless lavalier is a must. Today, I'm looking at the Saramonic UwMic9S Mini Wireless System. For over 20 years, I've been using professional audio solutions from Sennheiser, Rode and Sony. So in an oversaturated market, why would I choose Saramonic? Let's have a look and see how it stacks up. The first thing that impressed me from unboxing is that the kit comes in its very own Pelican style hard case, containing everything needed to get you started. It's packed with a lot of handy accessories. The receiver and transmitters are compact, lightweight and feel very robust. This is important if you're traveling abroad, as weight is always a consideration, and being robust means it'll survive in harsh conditions. The transmitters can be attached with the supplied belt clips, and the receiver has a cold shoe mount so that it can be attached directly to the top of your camera. These units have removable aerials, which is handy because on other systems I've found the permanently attached aerials would eventually fatigue and break, needing to be replaced. This kit has 2 lavalier microphones and receivers, but it's also available in a single microphone kit. The connector locks to the unit and seems very well constructed, which is important because again, this is often a weak point. The cables get tugged and pulled on, and I've replaced countless mics from frayed connectors. The kit includes standard pop filters for the microphones, foam covers for light wind, and for those really windy days, dead cat fluffy covers. These were particularly handy when shooting in harsh and windy environments, like in our trips to Alaska and Patagonia. The dead cats have a simple button lock to tether them to the mic clip, which is a great feature. In my experience, they can just pop off the microphone, and I've lost countless wind covers in the past. And if you do lose one, no worries, because they have supplied a couple of spares in the box. The receiver can be attached directly to your microphone port, or if you use XLR connections on your camera like me, then that option is also catered for. The units have internal lithium batteries that can be charged via the supplied USB-C cables. I really like this feature as the battery life gives you around 8 hours of operation, and if you're running low on power, it can be run or charged off a standard power bank. So everything is there in the box, but we must look at the performance and functionality. This is the most important aspect in choosing a wireless audio solution. The menus are displayed on a bright OLED screen, which is quite large considering the small size of the units. Once in the menus, you can change the mic sensitivity, which is great because out of the box, the signal is quite hot. So I've turned that down. You can scan for the strongest signal frequency and then match between units with the inbuilt RF connection. For this to work efficiently, you need to hold the units close together, as this will not work if you're at any distance. Overall, the menus are quite simple, and it won't have you scratching your head in the field like some of my past systems have. The transmission signal range is stated as up to 100 meters, but in my line of sight test, it was probably only reliable up to 10 to 15 meters. You certainly have a signal at 100 meters, but there was too much interference for it to actually be usable. However, this isn't a deal breaker for me, as I rarely need more than 10 meters range anyway. What you're hearing now is coming directly from the Saramonic mic. It has a warm, natural quality, but how does it stack up to my other systems? Compared to my Sony URX system, which you're hearing right now, the sound is flatter and does not cut through quite as well, but it's also twice the price as the Saramonic. And compared to the Rode Wireless Go 2, which is around half the retail price, it has a warmer and more natural tone. The Rode does sound cleaner, but has a harsher overall sound. Of course, these comparisons are not scientific in any way, but you can decide which one you like the most. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Well, there you have it, the Saramonic UwMic9S Mini. It's a great system for anyone looking for a professional wireless audio solution. It's compact, lightweight, convenient and well priced at 750 Australian dollars and 525 Australian dollars for the single microphone kit. And of course it does come in this very cool hard case. It's not perfect for every solution, but for the price it packs a lot of punch. Check out their range at the Saramonic website and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews, tips, techniques and photography adventure. Happy shooting!